Unit 11 Globalization and Privatization BSc and BA Final Year Question 1 What do you understand by globalization? How does it influence world trade? वैश्वीकरण से आप क्या समझते हैं? विश्व व्यापार को यह कैसे प्रभावित करता है? आंसर ग्लोबलाइजेशन refers to a world in which societies, cultures, politics and economics have come closer. It depends worldwide social relations. It is closely related to globalization. It links distant localities in such a way that local happenings of a particular area are shaped by happenings occurring miles away and vice versa. Globalization helps to stabilize the economy. It influences world trade. It accelerates the pace of economic growth. It promotes fiscal consolidation. The government of India has rightly decided to liberalize the Indian economy. The primary objective of the new economic policy of liberalization and privatization ensure a degree of freedom and flexibility to the Indian industry. It helps the industry to improve their competitiveness in the domestic as well as in the world market. Thus, globalization directly influences to the world trade and ensure a healthy atmosphere for trade. It has opened new markets for the Indian industries to trade with. India has rightly opened up its markets to the world forces. India must keep pace with the world. Foreign capital has been allowed to enter into the industrial field with will swell the declining foreign exchange reserves. Globalization demands excellent quality of goods and services. The prices have to be competitive. The entrepreneur have to use the latest technology. In this way, globalization influences trade and industry all over the world. वैश्वीकरण द्वारा विश्व की संस्कृति, समाज, राजनीति तथा अर्थव्यवस्था एक दूसरे के निकट आती है। यह सामाजिक संबंधों में निकटता लाती है। यह निजीकरण को निकट लाता है। वैश्वीकरण से किसी खास हिस्से में घटित होने वाली घटना विश्वव्यापी बन जाती है। यह आर्थिक संरचना को बढ़ाती है। यह राजकीय घाटे को कम करती है। भारत सरकार ने उदारीकरण का सही फैसला लिया है। औद्योगिकरण को इससे बढ़ावा मिलेगा। यह उद्योगों की प्रतियोगिता को देश व विदेश में बढ़ावा देगी। इससे उद्योगों के लिए अच्छा वातावरण तैयार होगा। यह भारतीय उद्योगों के लिए नए बाजारों को खोलेगा। इस प्रकार वैश्वीकरण विश्व के उद्योगों को बढ़ावा देगा। Question 2 What was the state of Indian economy when privatization was announced in India? Answer Before the announcement of privatization, Indian economy was slow in growth. Our policies were rather faulty. Indian economy was highly centralized. Quota permit system played a powerful part in it. There was too much government control. It was difficult for India to compete with other countries in the international market. Indian share in the international market was less than 1% of the total flow. Indian economy was stagnant and was in dire need of a policy like privatization, which would bring in funds and give a boost to the economy. Question 3 Write a summary of the essay Globalization and Privatization in your own words. निबंध वैश्वीकरण तथा निजीकरण का सारांश अपने शब्दों में लिखिए. Answer In today's world, globalization is considered to be a measure by which the economic sickness of country can be solved. Through the globalization, the world has shrunk into a village. Globalization demands excellent quality goods and service. Privatization is the only answer to the sickness. Confronting Indian economy through globalization and privatization. Globalization and privatization will bring stability and progress in Indian economy. आज की दुनिया में यह समझा जा रहा है कि विश्व की आर्थिक बीमारियों का इलाज वैश्वीकरण है। वैश्वीकरण से दुनिया एक गांव बन गई है। क्योंकि एक स्थान पर होने वाली घटना का आभास तुरंत ही दूसरे स्थान पर हो जाता है। वैश्वीकरण का निजीकरण का एक दूसरे से बहुत ही निकट का संबंध है। आशा की जाती है कि वैश्वीकरण तथा निजीकरण भारत की आर्थिक स्थिति को सुदृढ़ एवं उन्नतशील बनाएगा। इसी उद्देश्य से देश में अनेक नीतियाँ बनाई गई हैं।